How to add credit or debit card in Hudson Bay. If you're on your PC, it's a very simple and a quick process. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Hudson's Bay login. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first site. It will land you on the official page of Hudson's Bay. In order to add credit or debit card, first of all you have to log into your specific account. In here, enter your email address and the password associated with your account, and then click on Sign In. Once you click on Sign In, you will be logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, you simply have to move into your profile and then head over to Settings. Inside Settings, move into the option of Payment Method. Another option of Add Credit or Debit Card will be visible to you. Click on it. One interface will appear on your screen where you'll have to enter your card detail of your credit or debit card. Once you have entered all the necessary information, tap on Save and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add credit or debit card in Hudson's Bay. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.